Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So I have been asked before about how I pack my things and I'm going on a trip. So what better time than to actually show you how I pack. So let's get into what I pack, how I pack, and much more, okay? So the first thing that I do when it comes to packing is I need to know exactly how many days I will be gone, how many days I'm traveling for, because those two are completely different things. Because the days that I'm traveling, most likely I will wear the same outfit for both of those days, like going there and back. That's just usually how it is. I'm a little lazy like that. And then for the days that I am there, I like to pick out an outfit for every single day. If I can help it, I will cross fit a few outfits, so like I can wear one top 2 times, just change up the bottoms, or wear one bottom with 2 different tops. You know how that works, and that's how I do it. So let's see what I need to pack. So I will be traveling for, I say 2 days, but it's like half the day down to get there and then half a day to get back, and then I'm going to be there for 4 days. That is the original plan, and then we'll see what happens. Anyway, this is what I'm packing, okay? So this is what's currently on the bed. What is on the nightstand, this right here is what will go in my handbag. And I have right here is all of the outfits, the 4 outfits for the 4 days. So I have something that's a little bit warmer, something that is a little bit sexy, cute. Well, that's technically sexy too because it's a bodycon dress. Then I have a jacket for lighter weather in case the temperature is lighter. Then I have my skincare and hair care in this bag, makeup in that bag, underwear. I didn't want to show my underwear on camera, so I just put it in this bag, but it's approximately how much underwear I will bring. Not the specific underwear I will bring, but that is it. Then I have some flip-flops for showers, for whatever. That's kind of like what I like to have. Book for entertainment. I'm actually contemplating which book I will choose because I have the number 6 and the number 3, and I think I only need to bring one book, and I'm leaning towards the number 3 because it's longer since I've read that one. So that's it. Then I have some umbrella that will go in my handbag, tampons just in case. I'm not actually going to be on my period, but you know, never know. Then here is some shower essentials. I have my shampoo, conditioner, shave, body, shower gel. So I have a different shampoo in this bottle than what it is. I have, because this is a smaller bottle, so I just put it in there. And the same with the shower gel. It's not actually the shower gel of the bottle because I just put something from a bigger bottle into a smaller bottle. Then I have my pajamas and jewelry. I like keeping it in a box because that keeps it shape. 2 bags, smaller bags, because, well, the black one kind of goes with this outfit right here. And the pink one goes to all of the other ones if I want to have a smaller bag. 2 belts because this one goes with this outfit. This belt goes with this outfit. Paper towels to wipe my makeup off on, well, from my brushes. I like to have that, so I have one for every single day I will be there. Smaller wallet for those 2 bags. Then I have a hand steamer because, well, I need an iron and I don't have access to an ironing board, so hand steamer it is. Hair dryer because I need to dry my hair once it's showered. Straightener because that is needed. Well, towels and a face towel. And sweatpants because I want to be comfy sometimes. Then I have a swimsuit plastic bag to keep a wet swimsuit in a towel just in case I go swimming. You never know. Always keep that with me. Then here are some winter essentials. So I have a thinner scarf, thicker scarf, a beanie, a beret, and a pair of gloves. So the pair of gloves most likely will be in the handbag. Then the scarf depends on the day that I'm traveling, what temperature it is, and how I think I will be freezing. And with this, I will be wearing those shoes, but I will be bringing heels. That is my handbag. That is the jacket that I will bring, and this is the suitcase it all needs to fit in. And so that is a lot, but not a lot. Everything will fit in that suitcase. No worries. Well, I'm slightly worried about the hand steamer because I usually don't bring it because if I'm traveling to my grandma, I don't need it. She has an iron, but I'm not going to my grandma's, so that I need. I like it for hand steaming. Is great for steaming my jacket and shorts and pants because they tend to be the ones that needs to be steamed. Then I've kind of picked the outfit for when I'm traveling, which is my pink pants, but I might wear my yellow sweater that I have here, but I'm also going shopping on Monday, which is like 2 days away from now, before the travel. And I'm gonna pick out a new dress, if I can find it, which is going with me, and another sweater. And I think if it's a cute sweater and it's comfortable, I might end up wearing that one with the pink pants. But I'm also unsure if I should wear the pink pants or just go with the blue pants, because the blue pants go better with this jacket than the pink pants. So for style purposes, I might do that. That way I don't have to pack the pants. But I have to see what happens with that. But let's get into actually putting it in the suitcase. That is literally how fast I pack. I have the bag already. Now, what I need in my purse that I haven't put in here are 2 different drinks, or yeah, I think I should just stick to Coca-Cola and Red Bull because the train is so early in the morning. So I think those are the 2 drinks that I will stick with, and then I need some food and a bag of snacks. I think that's the only thing I need to put in here, and I think I should be able to fit it all. No problem with that, and then I'm good to go and travel. So that's literally all I do. That's how fast I pack. I like to put it out on the bed if I'm unsure which suitcase I need, but a lot of the time I put the outfits out on the bed so that I can pick the outfits. But other than that, I just put everything right in the bag. And this time I need to actually unpack everything I packed because the clothes are supposed to be washed. That's why I needed to pick it today, so that I can wash it tomorrow and it will be dry on Monday. So I can pack on Monday, even though I'm not leaving until in the middle of the night between Tuesday and Wednesday. And so that is everything on how I pack my suitcase, how easy it is. You just need to be real with yourself. What are you most likely going to wear? What are you going to need? And are you high maintenance or not? Because if you're not high maintenance, you don't need all of these things. I am high maintenance, so I need all of these things. I just feel sorry for myself for carrying the suitcase. But that's just the way it is, isn't it? High maintenance means heavy luggage. Just the way it is. Anyway, that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank all of my subscribers, everybody that likes, comments, shares my videos, everybody that watches them. Thank you so much. I love having you here and having our little community and corner of YouTube. So with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!